What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, this is the Ultimate Tech Hub. Thank you for joining us, I really appreciate it. So we got a lot of emails from viewers and subscribers that want to know how to install a wall jack correctly. We've done a few videos that show how to install a wall jack. However, they were not standalone videos. The wall jack installation was part of a bigger process. Therefore, the video was longer. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to install a wall jack. We're going to go through all the parts and tools needed. I'll give you the pricing for each part and tool. And there'll be links down below where you can buy these products. And believe it or not, this is not very expensive. And after you're done watching this video, make sure to watch this one. This video shows you how to wire up a patch cable. Simple and easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, for this installation, it's very simple. All you need is an RJ45 wall jack. This is a CAT6. As you know, in our house, we have no CAT5e, it's all CAT6. And you're also gonna need some cable, whether it's CAT5e or CAT6. And regardless of which cable you have, CAT5e or CAT6, the wiring is all the same. You also need a wall plate, 1 port, 2 port, or whatever you want, because this will snap in after you're done. And you're also gonna need a punch down tool. Now I know what you're gonna say, this is not very big, it's kind of small. They make a larger punch down tool, but really, this works just fine. And the great thing about these, they're free. When you buy a wall jack plug, it comes with a punch down tool. And the last thing you need is a wire stripper. I'm gonna go ahead and use this crimping tool because it already has a wire stripper right here. All right guys, enough of the chit chat, let's get started. All right guys, the first thing you wanna do is strip back the wires about 2 inches. And FYI, most crimping tools have a wire stripper built right into them. Pretty cool. So now all 4 pairs of wires are exposed. Go ahead and cut off that white pull string, you won't need it. And now you can carefully unwrap all 8 wires. Once all 8 wires are unwrapped, you then wanna straighten them out. And a little trick I learned, use that blue wire cover you just pulled off to help straighten the wires. It works great and is easy on your fingers. After you straighten out all 8 wires, you need to separate the wires 4 to the left and 4 to the right. So on the left, going from top to bottom, is brown white, brown, orange, orange white. And on the right side, going from top to bottom, is blue, white green, and green. And now you're ready to insert all 8 wires into the CAT6 wall jack. Make sure to push the wires down as far as possible using your fingers. And then once they're all pushed down, go back with the punch down tool to seat the wires all the way down, as far as possible. And I usually do this twice to make sure they're all pushed down. After they're all pushed down, trim off the excess wires. And now you can insert the wall jack into the wall plate, like this. These wall jack plugs come with a wire cover for the top, but for some reason I lost mine. It's probably somewhere in my toolbox. But here's a video clip of that process. And this is the finished product. And once again guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer all questions. And guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. Once again guys, thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you in the next video real soon. Peace.